Don't be a square. Everybody who's anybody drinks. Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Underground. More famous or infamous drinking quotes, and that one is a quote from Lorraine Baines, who, if you're from my age or my generation or that era, you know that is Marty McFly's mother from Back to the Future. And why did I choose that one? Well, because Back to the Future was one of the summer blockbusters when I was growing up, not growing up, but when I was younger. And that is apropos because it's summer. Summer is the time for blockbuster movies, parties, picnics, and I thought I'd do a little tasting with Tom because I wanted to try something that's quintessentially summer. When you think of some, I mean, not necessarily alcohol, but you think of iced tea, lemonade, that kind of thing. And the craze now, well, I don't know if it's a craze, but the product that we're seeing now flood the market are ready to drink cocktails. RTDCs, they're called. And I wanted to try one. I've had some before, but never this one. And this is what we're going to try today. This is Surfside. It's Surfside Lemonade pack. They're ready to drink cocktails. It's vodka and lemonade. And this is like I said, lemonade pack, variety pack. And this one contains 2 raspberry lemonade, 2 regular lemonade, 2 strawberry, and 2 black cherry. Now these come from Surfside. I've had their tea, which is not bad. So let's read a little bit about Surfside Lemonade. Proudly made with stateside vodka. And here could not be more appropriate for the 4th of July because this is produced by Stateside Vodka, Philadelphia, PA. It says serve ice cold, refrigerate after opening, be cool and recycle these cans, party smart. They have a website if you want some more information. Let's see, serving size 12-ounce can, 100 calories, no fat, 3 carbs, 2 sugars, no protein. Made with stateside vodka, natural flavors, and artificial sweetener. Now I'm a little suspicious about that because artificial sweetener can tend to have a little bit of a funky, weird aftertaste. These are 4.5% alcohol by volume. So let's get them and see what we got. I'm going to try them one at a time because I don't want them to get warm. So first, it seems like we should try the regular standard, just plain vodka flavor or lemonade flavored. I guess I don't need these anymore. So tell me, let me know in the comments. Do you like these ready to drink cocktails? There's a lot of them, made with vodka. I mean, it kind of looks like a Mike's or any kind of hard lemonade. But again, these are vodka, not malt. So you would have to, depends on where you live, how you have to buy them. You have to buy them in a package store, you have to buy them in a beer store or wine, regular spirit shop. Where I live, you can get them, they've changed all the laws, so you can get them pretty much anywhere that you buy your regular stuff. So with that being said, we're going right through with ready drink because we don't have to wait till the end because we're drinking right away. So cheers to summertime, cheers to the 4th of July, cheers to, even have my American shirt on. Drink American, buy American, drink more bourbon. But today we're drinking vodka lemonade. The refrigerator's rattling. Everybody's excited to celebrate summer. So cheers to summer. It smells lemony. I almost wish I had like a Mike's or something or a hard lemonade to compare it to. I'd say Mike's, but that's like the predominant hard lemonade. Cheers. Yeah, I'm sorry, Stateside, but it's got that weird artificial flavor aftertaste. Ugh. So let's try another one. I'm going to try strawberry. And they say refrigerate after opening, so apparently the thing about these is they're not carbonated, so you don't have to worry about them going flat because they start out flat. Now, does this have some color in it? No, it doesn't. Well, the slightest tint, let's see, comparatively, no. So you know it's nothing real that's flavoring it, because if it was, it would be colored. I mean, it smells strawberry-y. Let's see how we do. Oh, let's put the good side out. In your mouth, it's fine. Tastes like strawberry. Kind of tastes like strawberry jello. But as soon as you swallow it, your mouth is just left with that weird artificial flavor aftertaste. I don't know. There's two more in here. Well, yeah, we'll try them both. See, I do this for you guys, so I make the mistakes that you don't have to. Oh, back to what I was saying. Did we ever finish that conversation? So, do you like these type of drinks? Whether it be like the ready-to-drink cocktails. I know they have this, they have iced tea, there's a lot of big brands. Everybody's coming out with stuff. I try to avoid, I wish, I just saw this, and I think I've had their tea, which was okay. I don't know if that's got, I mean, how hard is it to put real sugar in something? You just can't, I don't care how you flavor it, you can't get rid of that artificial taste, that sweetener taste. So let's see with the raspberry. That really doesn't taste much different than the strawberry. But on that one, the artificial flavor aftertaste, that really gets you. And then finally, I mean, I wasn't gonna, but black cherry, because I mean, I got them all open, so at this point, I know what to expect. It's just a matter if I'm gonna get any cherry flavor before the artificial sweetener blasts me in the back of the throat. Oh boy, things I do. Cheers to disappointment. You get, and with all of these, first of all, after the lemonade, you don't really get any citrus at all. It's very light citrus. Lemonade, I want lemon. You know what I mean? Did you hear that? But this, right at the very first, you get cherry, and then it's gone, because the artificial sweetener taste just blasts any other good flavor out of your mouth. Oh boy, I don't know what to tell you guys. Would I buy this again? Absolutely not. It is not, it's in my humble opinion of just somebody who drinks, probably more than the average bear. They're NG. I mean, excuse me. I don't know. If that artificial aftertaste doesn't bother you, buy them. I mean, you do get, this one is the most flavored, I would say, of them. That I get really no raspberry at all. Here's the thing. I like cherries. I generally don't like cherry flavored things, but of all of these, actually the cherry is the best. It's the most flavored of them. This doesn't taste like lemon. This tastes like artificial strawberry. This really doesn't taste like raspberry. And this tastes like cherry in the millisecond before the artificial sweetener takes over. Have I made my point? The artificial sweetener makes these horrible. I mean, I'm sorry. I wanted to like them because I generally like this kind of stuff. I like iced teas. I like lemonades, that kind of drink. And I've had these in the fridge for a couple of weeks, and I was really, really looking forward to it. Maybe that's why I'm so disappointed. Made with real juice. Really? I'd have been hard pressed to tell you there was anything real in these. I mean, on the bright side, they're only 4.5 and only 100 calories. I don't know what to tell you. If you put a squirt of real lemon in it, maybe it would be better. I don't know. I got nothing. I'm at a loss. Let me think. Let me see here. No, I don't have anything else in here similar. No, sorry. Hey, they can't all be winners, right? But we do what we must for those we care about. And I care about you guys because you come and spend some time with us here at the Underground. If it's your first time here, I appreciate it. Sorry we didn't have something a little better for you on your first time, but give us another try. Subscribe to the Underground. Hit the bell, turn on notifications, so when we do something else that you're gonna like, you can let me know. No, they'll let you know that we're doing it, and you can come watch us and hang out and have a good time. And tell me, have you had these things, and if do you like them? Am I missing something? I'm not perfect, although I'd like to think I am sometimes. But tell me if there's another one that you'd like me to try for you to see if it's any good, or any of these little drink pack things. I'll game. Got to find a good one sooner or later. So that's it, guys. I would say if you know somebody that likes these kind of drinks, hey, please give us a thumbs up, share this video. That way we can head somebody off at the pass, so they don't spend their money and get the disappointment that we had here today. So please come back and see us again, because we'll have something a little bit better the next time. I value your patronage. Remember, I always have a seat at the bar for you. So come back and see us again. Until then, remember, one of these seats are saved for you. Cheers.